Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question, a question on geometry and mensuration. Here comes the question. Can you please make an attempt and then continue watching this? The sum of the pyramids of an equilateral triangle and a rectangle is 90 centimeters. The area T of the triangle and the area R of the rectangle, both in square centimeters, satisfy the relationship R equals to T square. If the sides of the rectangle are in the ratio 1:3, then the length in centimeters of the longer side of the rectangle is fine. Here the sides of the rectangle are in the ratio 1:3 means let the shorter side be 1k, so the longer side is 3k because they are in the ratio 1:3. And if we take equilateral triangle, let us assume the side of the triangle is A. Now the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B, that is longer side plus shorter side, 3k plus 1k, that is 8k. And the perimeter of equilateral triangle is sum of three sides, that is 3a. And the area of the rectangle is length into breadth, that is 3k into k, that is 3k square. And the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. Now what is the relationship we have? Sum of the perimeters equals to 90. So perimeter of rectangle is 8k, perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3a. 8k plus 3a is 90, one equation. And what is the second equation? We have the relationship between the areas R equals to T square. R means area of rectangle, that is 3k square equals to T square, that is area of the triangle square. So what is the area of the triangle? We have root 3 by 4 a square, the square of that. If you see here, 3k square equals to 3 into a power 4 by 16. 3 gets cancelled. K square is equal to a power 4 by 16 means I can say k is equal to a square by 4. Once k is equal to a square by 4, this is the second equation. Let me substitute this in the first equation. 8 into k means I can write a square by 4 plus 3a equals to 90. You can see here, if we simplify 2a square plus 3a, that 90 comes left hand side, minus 90 equals to 0. 290 is 180, 15 12 is 180. So if I factorize it, 2a square plus 15a minus 12a minus 90 equals to 0. If I take a common, 2a plus 15. If I take minus 6 common, 2a plus 15 equals to 0. 2a plus 15 into a minus 6 is 0 means we can say 2a equals to minus 2a plus 15 equals to 0, or a equals to minus 15 by 2, or we can say a minus 6 is 0 or a equals to 6. But here a is the side of equilateral triangle, it cannot be negative, hence this is ruled out. So a is 6 is what we have. Once a is 6, if I try to substitute here 8k plus 3 into 6 equals to 90, 8k equals to 72, or k equals to 9. Once k equals to 9, the longer side of the rectangle, that is 3k is equal to 3 into 9, 27 is our answer, choice B. Right? Okay. Students, please do subscribe to my channel. You can get latest videos on CAT and other exams on regular basis. And you can also find a playlist where every day one question is uploaded from previous year CAT exam papers. And for a comprehensive course on geometry and mensuration, please reach me on my Udemy profile. The link is given below. Thank you.